Admin courses are essential for you as a professional and also for your business as you get critical skills which are crucial for your organization. I am Fatima. I'm the trainer for the Admin and Secretarial at Berkeley. For the past 5 years, I've been training management and admin courses across GCC. Here at Berkeley, we offer a comprehensive admin and secretarial course which will provide you the essential skills for the administrative, receptionist, or executive assistant roles. This course will take you to the next level in your profession as you are offered with corporate practical sessions and advanced training tools. If you are someone who'd like to advance your profession, Berkeley is the perfect place for you.